That's how cheeseburgers should be. That's Smashburger heaven right there. That's good.
Hey, well, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Summertime Kev, and I am in Poppy's kitchen today, and we are cooking. So we got everything laid out for Smashburgers today. We're gonna do onions, we're gonna do a cheese dip on the Smashburgers, got a brioche bun, and everything's laid out to get this started. So follow along, this one is delicious. All right, this is Smashburger time in Smashville. And we're gonna start with this white onion, and we're gonna get a nice big thick cut off of it. It's gonna look like a patty itself. So you got one of these, and you're just gonna put it right in this iron skillet right here with some butter. It's going over here in this small iron skillet. Go down, get it going.
Lay this on some melted butter and a little bit of oil and a very, very light seasoning of pepper and salt.
And the star of the show is this meat. This comes from a butcher shop near my house. It's 80/20, and everything that's in this is from a Prime Cuts. And it pays to visit your local butcher. This is $5.99 a pound. I'm not even sure you can get any ground beef anywhere out of a grocery store for $5.99 a pound, but even if you do, it's not gonna be fresh ground like this. So these patties are gonna be about 2 1/4 to 2.5 ounces each, because we're gonna smash them. So they're gonna be real flat. So we'll be making probably a double Smashburger. And I'm just gonna grab some of that meat. And you don't wanna pat it too tight. You want that loose. So when you push it and you smash it down, it's gonna break open and have those nice ridges around the side, and you're gonna get holes in the middle for the juice and the steam to come up, and that's what you want. We're gonna make the cheese sauce real quick. So we're gonna go in with milk. And we're gonna go in with some chunks of like a standard Velveeta cheese. Another one of those, we'll see how that comes. We want it thin, we don't want it super thick. Oh, that onion's starting to bubble already over there. And get just a touch of pepper on it too. And we're also gonna be making secret sauce for this. Everybody's secret sauce is different. Mine is different every time I make it. 1, 2 dollops of mayo, a dash of olive oil, not olive oil, a dash of pure sesame oil. Everybody's favorite W sauce. If you have this, use hoisin sauce, or you can use a little bit of teriyaki sauce. Not much of this, it's very strong. And give it a mix. It's more like a steak sauce than a hamburger sauce. Smashburgers need a smasher, but if you don't have this, you got one of these, smash it. On your iron skillet, you need this really, really hot. So we're gonna check this and see how hot it is. That's hot. It's already got the holes, it's got the ridges around the outside. That's how a Smashburger should look. Get another one down, right there. Parchment paper. Whew, got that one real thin. That thing really smashes. Burger going down, buns going down. And more of those in there. We are flipping. He's getting a cheese on it.
You guys, a quick tip for good cooking is to have everything ready. Like these Smashburgers, you gotta have your cheese and everything ready because they're gonna cook fast. You don't want to be opening the fridge and trying to get that cheese out at the last second. Also, that onion was so thick, it had to go on early to cook all the way through.
Just gonna get the flip.
Okay, gotta say now, just for the record, these are for my girlfriend and for my mom. The next two Smashburgers are the way I'm gonna eat them. One of these is gonna be eaten gluten-free, and the other one's just gonna be eaten on a bun with lettuce and tomato. The important part is get these burgers cooked just like this, and then you can stack them any way you want. So I'm just going to grab this onion and put it on top of this one right here. And this one is going to be eaten by my girlfriend who does not eat any gluten. So it's going to go on a bed of lettuce and whatever else she puts on it. And I think she's going to top it like a regular cheeseburger with ketchup and mustard. One other tip about these onions, make sure you cut them thick because you still want some crunch in them and you want some juice in them. You don't want them to shrivel up. This one turned out perfect. And don't forget, it has to start earlier than anything else. Okay, now right here, you don't have to flatten down your hamburger a little bit to put the onions on. You can go ahead and do your complete smash and then drop your onions on top of that. I, however, this time just wanted them inside of my meat, more or less. So otherwise, just smash them like normal and then put your onions on. Let them cook for 1.5 minutes on that first side and then do a flip. They're going to take 1.5 minutes to 1.5 minutes on each side because they are thin and they're going to cook fast. They should be almost paper thin.
Oh yeah.
Now, as I just said, these are going to cook super fast. Try not to cook all of the juice out of them.
About 1 minute on this side, and that is done.
On that first side, it's 1.5 to 2 minutes, most likely, depending on how hard you smash down on them. Then flip them over another minute. Just they cook fast.
Now we build. And we go lettuce. Protect the bun from the heat. It's a double smash burger.
And I know what you're saying. Someone done, Kev, where's the cheese?
That in itself is a great looking burger. How can you make it a cheeseburger now? You've already put it on the bun.
All right, the ideal thickness for this cheese sauce is to be like thin pancake syrup. When it's hot, you want it really thin, but when it cools off, you don't want it to be thick and globby. You still want it to retain some of its thinness. So milk is your friend on making it and keeping it thin once it gets on the plate and cools off a little bit.
That's how we make a smash burger in Poppy's kitchen. Oh, it looks amazing. That is perfect. Our onions are still crunchy, but cooked. That cheese dip is just messy, cheesy, gooey. And then you got a double smash burger in there with all that flavor from the charred fat and that seasoned iron skillet. That's good. So my favorite part about this way is when you get to here, you go back to here, then your next bite are cheesy goodness. Goodness is right. The juiciness of that smash burger just comes out. All the flavors in there.
So much flavor and so good. I'm about to eat the second half of this burger. See what I mean about the cheese? It thickens up a little bit. Oh man, give me a bite of that right now.
That's how cheeseburgers should be. That's Smashburger heaven right there. And that's good. I don't care who you are. If you like smash burgers and if you like cheese, you'll love my Smashburger cheeseburger. My smash cheeseburger. My cheese smash burger. We are in Smashville, you know. That's what they call it. Until next time, you guys, I'm Sometime Kev in Poppy's Kitchen, and eat well, eat healthy, and eat for happiness. And I will see you guys on the next one. This is before I get started cooking. And now this is the after.
Thanks for watching, everyone, and if you would, please subscribe, and I will see you on my YouTube channel, Delicious Feel Good Foods and Recipes.